On-street parking can pose a hazard to cyclists and requires both cyclists and motorists to pay extra attention. Cyclists ride at least 3 feet to the left of parked vehicles to avoid an opening car door. This may require you to take the lane. Ride in a straight line past the whole line of parked vehicles, rather than weaving in and out around them. Be alert for vehicles pulling in or out of parking spaces. Watch your speed and be ready to stop if necessary. Motorists, watch for cyclists who are riding close to parked vehicles. If a car door opens unexpectedly, the cyclist may have to swerve left to avoid it. If you're exiting a car, do a safety check by using your mirrors and looking over your shoulder for cars and bicycles before opening your door. Do the same safety check when you're getting ready to pull out of a parking space. Please do not park in a marked bike lane. Blocking bike lanes creates a hazard for cyclists as well as other vehicles.